In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed code into Canva website. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First things first, make sure you have access to Canva. If you haven't already, go ahead and open your preferred web browser and head over to Canva's homepage. Here, you'll find a login button prominently displayed. Click on it to enter your login credentials and access your Canva account. If you don't have an account yet, signing up is quick and easy, so feel free to do that too. Once you're logged in and have navigated to the Canva homepage, the next thing you'll want to do is locate the Projects section. This is where all your creative magic is stored. Click on Projects and scroll through to find the specific project you want to work with. Selecting a project will open it up, allowing you to edit and apply the methods we're discussing today. After your project is opened up, look for the Apps option on the Canva interface. It's typically situated in an easy to spot location on your screen. Clicking on Apps will present you with a variety of options and integrations that Canva offers. This is where the real fun begins, as you open the door to many creative possibilities. To find the option we need, type Embed into the search bar. This will narrow down your options and point you directly to the tool we're going to use. Locate the Embed application in the search results and click on it to initiate the embedding process. With the Embed application now open, you will see a prompt or a space to paste your Embed code. This is where you'll take whatever code you have, whether it's for a video, a widget, or any other embeddable content, and paste it directly into Canva. Simply right click in the space provided, select paste, or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+V or Command+V on a Mac to insert your code. And there you have it, you've successfully embedded code into your Canva project. This can be a game changer, especially when you want your designs to be fully interactive or need to integrate external content smoothly into your work. That's the complete process from start to finish. As you can see, embedding code in Canva is a straightforward task that opens up many creative avenues for your projects. Whether you're designing a dynamic presentation or a visually stunning website, this feature can greatly enhance the interactivity and engagement of your content. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy designing.